G'day everybody, it's Matt here, and today I've got the Ryobi One 18V edge trimmer. This has a 220mm double-edged cutting blade with 4 depth settings, and as per everything else in the Ryobi One 18V range, it uses the standard Ryobi One 18V batteries. So this is the skin only, so it doesn't come with a battery or charger or anything like that. It's just the lawn edger. And I'll be using my own battery that I already have with it. So if you need a battery, there is an option that comes with a battery and a charger. Otherwise, yeah, it works with any Ryobi One 18V batteries. And I would suggest at least a 4 amp hour, probably a 5 amp hour battery to use with this, just to get the most from it. Then we also have a 4-position depth adjustment from 15mm all the way down to 45mm. Now, this lawn edger is designed to be quite lightweight, and being a battery operated device, you don't have the engine noise, which is nice, and it's also a brushless motor, so the motor itself is a quieter operation as well, so it's quite neighbor friendly. Ryobi claims a runtime of up to 52 minutes on a 4 amp hour battery, but that's with no loads. That's basically just running without doing anything. So you definitely don't expect to get that long with it when you're actually operating, and especially when you're working on heavier duty cuts. That's going to use up your battery a lot faster. So it's designed for edging and shaping tasks to help keep your lawn edges and garden beds neat and tidy. The 220mm double-edged blade provides a clean cut and a precise finish around garden beds, paths and driveways. The 4-position adjustment gives you greater depth control and helps suit a range of different lawn types and lengths. And of course, the lightweight design paired with the adjustable front handle provides a comfortable edging experience. Now, let's go ahead, open this one up and have a closer look at it. What comes in the box and how to set it up. Okay, so that's all of our goodies that have come in the box. We've got the bottom component of the edger here, which has its main guide wheel, a forward guide wheel as well, adjustable height setting here, which basically adjusts that rear guide wheel to give you greater depth or less depth. This is the heaviest component here, the base piece with the engine, and also with that blade that is pre-attached here for us. So again, it's that 220mm blade. And having a look at the back of this piece, we can see we do actually have those depth measurements there. And so essentially that's going to run along like that. We have more to this than just the cutting edge itself. We have the rest of the handle. So this is the rest of the handle component. Now, it is all adjustable. Obviously, this base bit is where your 18V battery will plug in. And this handle itself, you're just going to unscrew that to adjust the height. But you can also rotate it to whatever position is going to work best for you to give you the most comfort while you're using the edge trimmer. I would suggest that probably upright is going to be the most comfortable, but give it a try out for yourself and see what works for you. It is, as I said, fully adjustable, both rotation but also the angle out from the handle. Then we have this plastic piece here, which is going to lock us onto the rest of this piece here. In the bag here, we have our safety instructions, quick start guide, as well as our tools for changing the cutting blade. When this one's worn out, we need to stick a new one on. Now, when we're ready to attach the handle, we're basically going to take these 2 pieces and slide them together like so. And then we're just screwing this plastic locking piece on. Once that's done up tight, our handles will be locked together and they're going to stay together nice and firm for us. If we need to separate it again for storage, so you don't have enough room for that height, we can just unscrew that. And that'll let us separate that handle off from the base. And then you can store it in half the height like so. So that's it. That's everything that comes in the box with the Ryobi One 18V lawn edge trimmer in the skin or tool only package. Hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like it and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me. And if you want to grab one of these for yourself, make sure you check out the affiliate links down in the description. Have an awesome day and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.